Hey writers, today we are going to be talking again about dialogue. Remember, dialogue is the exact words that a character says in a story. Okay, and today we are going to be just looking at punctuating dialogue with the tag at the beginning. So this right-hand box. Okay, so I want you to pay close attention to where our quotation marks are and our periods, commas, question marks, and exclamation points. Okay, so our tag is she whispered on this first one, comma, don't wake the baby. Okay, so our quotation marks are around don't wake the baby because that is what she is whispering. Okay, the next one, our tag is at the beginning. I asked, comma, can I hold the baby? So our quotation marks are around can I hold the baby? And our question mark is inside of there. Okay, because that is what she is asking. I asked. The next one, she exclaimed, comma, quotation marks, of course you can. Okay, and our quotation marks are around what she exclaimed. Of course I can. Okay, so for today, you are going to do a quiz choosing the correct answer for the different options for punctuating these with a tag at the beginning. So our tag, she whispered, I asked, all of those are at the beginning. And then after you take that quiz, I want you to go into your writing and I want you to fix your punctuation if you messed up for your dialogue. Okay, have a good day.